Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Webull for beginners. Webull is a popular online trading platform that offers a wide range of financial products and services. To get started, you need to download and install the Webull app on your device. Once installed, open the app and click on the Sign Up button to create an account. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID and social security number. After verifying your account, you can fund it by linking your bank account or using other payment methods. The Webull dashboard is user-friendly and easy to navigate. It provides an overview of your account balance, portfolio, and market news. You can customize the dashboard to suit your needs by adding or removing widgets. To buy or sell stocks, click on the Trade button and enter the stock symbol or name. You can also use the search function to find specific stocks or ETFs. Webull offers a variety of order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell a stock at the current market price. A limit order is an order to buy or sell a stock at a specific price. A stop-loss order is an order to sell a stock when it falls below a certain price. To place an order, select the order type and enter the quantity of shares you want to buy or sell. You can also set a price alert to notify you when a stock reaches a certain price. Webull also offers a paper trading feature that allows you to practice trading with virtual money. Webull provides real-time market data and news to help you make informed investment decisions. You can also use the technical analysis tools to analyze stock charts and identify trends. To withdraw funds from your account, click on the Withdraw button and follow the instructions. It is essential to understand the risks associated with trading and investing. Webull provides a range of educational resources, including tutorials and webinars, to help you improve your trading skills. By following these steps and practicing responsible trading habits, you can use Webull to achieve your financial goals.